Welcome to our emergency vehicle adventure. Today we're learning about 20 amazing vehicles that help keep people safe. Let's begin. This is an ambulance. A vehicle that carries sick or injured people to the hospital and has special equipment to help them on the way. This is a fire truck. A big truck that firefighters use to carry water, hoses and equipment to put out fires. This is a police car. A fast car used by police officers to keep people safe and respond to emergencies. This is a rescue helicopter. A helicopter that flies to hard-to-reach places to save people quickly in emergencies. This is a fire ladder truck. A fire truck with a long ladder to reach tall buildings and help people stuck up high. This is a Coast Guard boat. It rescues people in the ocean and helps keep the waters safe. This is an air ambulance. A helicopter or small plane that carries sick or injured people to the hospital quickly, especially from places that are far away or hard to reach. This is a SWAT vehicle. A heavy protected truck used by special police teams for dangerous situations. This is an airport fire truck. A large fire truck made to handle plane emergencies at airports, often with powerful water cannons. This is a wildfire truck. It fights wildfires in forests and fields and can drive off-road to reach tough places. This is a police motorcycle. A police motorcycle helps officers move quickly through traffic so they can reach emergencies fast and keep people safe. This is a lifeguard truck. It carries lifeguards and rescue gear to help swimmers in trouble at the beach. This is a mountain rescue vehicle. It's built to drive on rough mountain terrain and help rescue people in hard-to-reach areas. This is a police helicopter. A police helicopter helps officers watch large areas from the sky, follow dangerous situations, and find people quickly. This is a fire command vehicle. It's used by fire chiefs to organize and coordinate firefighters during emergencies. This is an ambulance bus. It can carry many patients at the same time during big emergencies. This is a snowblower truck. A snowblower truck clears heavy snow from roads by blowing it out of the way, helping emergency vehicles move safely during winter storms. This is an emergency water rescue raft. It's used in floods or fast-moving water to safely rescue people. This is a tow truck. It removes broken or crashed cars from the road to keep everyone safe. This is a firefighting aircraft. A firefighting aircraft drops water or special fire-retardant chemicals from the sky to help put out large wildfires. Great job, explorers! You learned about 20 incredible emergency vehicles that help people every single day. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.